Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you and show you to do this to your laptop's power cord and it won't slip again. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. That's right, I'm telling you to do this to your laptop's power cord because it will cause it to never slip again, and it's a simple tutorial. You know the feeling, right? You plug this into the wall outlet, you plug this side into your laptop, obviously it's unraveled, and then this power brick is resting on your desk. Eventually, as you move things around, the power brick starts to slide off and falls off the desk. Then what happens is it's dangling like this, and either the charger gets unplugged or the laptop moves and messes up with what you're working on, right? Or puts a lot of pressure on the charging port, which can damage it eventually, right? And there's a very simple solution to make sure that that does not happen again, or is very unlikely to happen again. I found this on a life hack picture that I saw, and I was like, wow, and I tried it out, and it worked so well because it was a massive problem that I was experiencing. It worked really, really well, so I tried it out, and I figured I would share with you in this video. So basically, you want to gain easy access to the power brick. Now, most of the time, you can unplug this from the power brick. If you can't, you can still do it by, bringing the elastic through the cord like this, right? So I'll show you how to do that after, but if you can unplug it, make it easier on yourself so you can access the power brick. All that you need are two elastics, okay? Get one elastic, put it on one end of the power brick, and just wrap it around. It doesn't need to be tight. Look at this. So, it doesn't need to be tight. Okay, as you can see, it's not tight, still really loose. You don't want it to be too tight, but what it does is it gives it grip, right? But with only one of them on there, it's still gonna spin a little bit because it might be spinning on the spot right there. So you're gonna put a second elastic on, and I'll show you how to do it if your cord cannot come out. So obviously make sure it's all unplugged, right? You wanna make sure the entire thing is unplugged. And essentially, you want to get your elastic and you want to sort of wrap it as many times as you need. So for this one, let's get a little bit of a bigger elastic. For this one right here, I know that I'm going to be wrapping it twice, right? So I'm going to take the elastic and I'm going to just go like this. I'm going to sort of spin it around like this. Watch this. I'm going to spin it and bring them together. And now I have a double wrapped elastic. So it has two parts to it. I'm going to take that elastic. I'm going to put it around the cord. Like I said, everything's unplugged around the cord. And now I just have to sort of feed it through just like that until I get to the power brick. And I can straighten it out when I get there. Now that I'm at the power brick, I just open the elastic up and I release it, and there you go. And now what happens is when you put it on the table, it's got some grip. It's a very, very simple solution to what I consider to be a massive problem, because all the time, when I work, I have my laptop plugged in, and then I have like 50 sheets of paper and all sorts of stuff spread out. That's how I work. And whenever I'm writing on one sheet of paper, the charger would move and eventually it would fall, and it would be dangling, and I'm like, and then it's frustrating, and then it throws off your momentum, right? So, by doing this, you've solved the problem. You probably have hundreds of elastics lying around your house somewhere. You get them all the time in the mail and stuff, and you just throw them in a drawer. We all know that, right? So you can use those elastics that would otherwise just sit there and be useless, and you can actually make use of them to solve a real world problem that you are probably experiencing, and many other people are probably experiencing as well. But that's it. Easy life hack. I've shown you how to do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.